Hello students, today I Radha Singh welcomes you all in this online session. Today we will study the chapter 4 from the book Honeydew names Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is written by Satyajit Ray. So let's start with the summary of part 1. First of all, about the chapter. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, written by Satyajit Ray, it takes you through the journey of a man named Bipin Babu who is faced with a very unique problem where he has lost his memory of one and only incident from the year 58 when he had a trip to Ranchi with his friend. Everyone except him recalls about his trip to Ranchi as the story unfolds. He discovers that it was a punishment from an old friend to his name Chunni Lal, whom he didn't help in his trying times. Let's start with the summary. Bipin Chaudhary, popularly known as Bipin Babu, went to Kalicharan's. Kalicharan's is a bookshop every Monday after work to stock up on his books to last a week. He lived alone and didn't have many close friends. He was not fond of idle talk. One such Monday, when he was at Kalicharan's looking for his books, a man named Parimal Ghosh addressed him as if he knew Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu didn't recognize him. The man claimed to have seen Bipin Babu in 50 when Bipin Babu visited Ranchi. But Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Despite wanting to visit the place, he had not been able to do it. So he told the man that he had been mistaken. But the man knew quite a lot of details about Bipin Babu and did not stop talking. Bipin Babu left the shop and went a drive alongside Ganga. He was a hard-working man who had a responsible job at a big firm. It was hard for him to believe that he couldn't remember such an important event of his life, and that too. From 6 to 7 years ago, he didn't want to think about that. The man had said, but he could not stop doing so. That's it, student. Further story we will discuss in the part 2nd. I have also provided you the text of the story for the reading practice. Excepting this, I will also provide the word meaning of this part. First is idle chat, means unnecessary routine talks. Second is meek humble. Third is utter disbelief, means complete surprise. Students, I have also provided the character of this part. There is two characters in the part named Bipin Babu and the another one is Parimal Ghosh. So let's start with Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu is an old man who is the protagonist of the story. He had no children. He was living lonely life after his wife's demise. Demise means death. He was working in a reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends. Personality wise, he had keen interest in reading books. This is shown in starting of the story. He his car every Monday in a new market to buy books at the Kalicharan shop. He never wanted to waste his time in idle chatting. The second character is Parimal Ghosh. Parimal is a round-faced, meek-looking man who introduced Bipin Babu that he has met him in 50th during his Ranchi visit. That's it. Further study, further story we will study in the next part. Thank you, student.